I ate oats every morning for 7 days. Here's what happened. What happens if you eat oats every single morning for a week? Weight loss? More energy? Maybe some bathroom drama? I put it to the test. 7 straight days of eating oats every morning. And the results surprised me. Stick around, because day 4 was not what I expected. Let's rewind. I'd been feeling tired, bloated, and stuck in a breakfast rut. Same toast and coffee every morning. So I turned to oats, cheap, easy, high in fiber, and recommended by, well, almost every health blog ever. The rules? 1 bowl of oats every morning. No added sugar. Try different toppings to keep it interesting. Day 1, I went classic, oats, banana, cinnamon. Honestly? Better than I expected. It kept me full till lunch, no snacking, no energy crashes. But day 2? I made the mistake of adding too much peanut butter. Tasty? Yes. Light on the stomach? Not exactly. Takeaway: start simple. Let your gut adjust. By day 3, things were moving. Let's just say the fiber kicked in. If you know, you know. But I also noticed something else. No cravings. Like none. Usually, I get mid-morning sugar urges. This time? Nada. Day 4 though? The bloat. Oats plus dairy plus banana equals gas city. So I made a switch. Day 5 was my turning point. I tried savory oats. Oats plus egg plus spinach plus chili flakes. Life. Changing. High protein, super filling, and it felt like real food, not just breakfast mush. Day 6? I noticed my skin looked clearer. Could have been the hydration and reduced sugar. Could have been the placebo effect. Either way, I was vibing. Mini review. Energy. Up snacking. Down digestion. Active by day 7, oats had become a ritual. I looked forward to it. I didn't lose a crazy amount of weight, maybe 1 to 1.5 pounds, but I felt leaner, lighter, and more stable throughout the day. My final bowl: oats plus cinnamon plus almond butter plus chia seeds. Took 5 minutes. Tasted like dessert. Fueled my whole morning. So, should you eat oats every morning? Pros: super affordable, helps digestion, reduces cravings, easy to customize. Cons: boring if you don't switch it up, can cause bloating for some, not enough protein on its own. Pro tip: add protein powder, nuts, or eggs to balance your macros. So would I keep eating oats every morning? Honestly, yes. Not forever, but 3-4 times a week? Absolutely. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's your favorite oatmeal topping? Stay healthy, and maybe have some oats tomorrow.